Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and I want to show you the options you have for your books. I'm giving you two different views. The teacher view is on the left, the student view is on the right, and down at the bottom you're going to see three buttons. Okay, remember this is the teacher view. Okay, as teachers you have the ability to import books, to copy books, combine books, and delete books. Okay, combining books is really helpful if you're working on a class project, group assignments. You can combine books. You can also minimize the number of books you have in your library by combining them into one. Okay, now for the students, all they're going to see is import, move, and copy. So they can move it to another library. Okay, they can make a copy and they can delete. They don't have the option to combine. Okay, now in the middle button is the share button. This will allow you as the teacher to publish the student book. Okay, you can also turn on the ability to collaborate. This will allow all of your students to collaborate together on one book. You can download it as an ebook, which will download it onto your computer, or you can choose to print. Okay, those are the teacher options. For the kiddos, they have the opportunity to download it as an ebook or to print. Okay, they don't have the ability to publish it because we turned that setting off because we don't want them to be able to do that yet. Okay, so they won't be able to do that. And your third button is the play button. Okay, so I can hit play and it will show my book as a live book. Okay, so for either one, play will do that by using the buttons at the bottom.